Looking for the perfect cordless drill for your DIY projects or heavy-duty tasks? In this video, we'll explore the top-rated cordless drills designed to handle everything from home repairs to challenging construction jobs. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a drill here for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Patuopro Cordless Electric Drill. The Patuopro 10mm cordless brushless electric drill, designed for efficiency and comfort. Packed with features, it's perfect for home use and beyond. The standout feature is its brushless motor, delivering superior power and torque. It's energy efficient, durable, and operates with low noise and vibration. Plus, it stays cooler, making it perfect for extended use. This drill offers two adjustable speeds, 0-850R/min and 0-2200R/min. The variable speed trigger gives precise control, so you can tackle any project with ease. Whether drilling or screwing, it adjusts to your needs. Its 3/8-inch keyless self-locking chuck makes switching bits quick and simple. Versatile and convenient, it's great for multiple household tasks. At just 1 kilogram, it's lightweight with an ergonomic grip for comfort. The built-in LED light ensures accuracy in dark spaces. The 21 torque settings and compatibility with Makita 18-volt batteries make it a must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts. Upgrade your toolbox with the Patuopro cordless drill. Power, precision, and ease in one package. Number 4. Gisam Cordless Impact Drill. The Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill, a versatile solution for drilling, screwing, and light hammering tasks. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, it's packed with features to make your work effortless. This drill runs on a 21-volt lithium-ion battery, providing consistent and portable power. The brushed motor ensures reliable performance, while the 1450 RPM no-load speed allows for smooth operation on various materials. With a 10mm maximum drilling diameter, it's perfect for tasks involving wood, metal, or plastic. Its lightweight and ergonomic design offer comfort, even during extended use. Certified with CE approval, it's built with safety and efficiency in mind. Ideal for custom home tasks, it combines reliability and precision. The Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill. Compact, powerful, and perfect for your DIY needs. Number 3. DEKO DKCD12 Fubli Powerful Cordless Drill. The DEKO DKCD12 Fubli Cordless Drill, a versatile tool designed for all your DIY needs. Available in 12V, 16V, and 20V versions, it offers excellent power and performance for both drilling and screw driving. With a no-load speed of 1350 RPM and 28-42 Nm torque, this drill easily handles tasks like woodworking, metal drilling, and screw driving. The 18+1 torque settings provide precision, while the keyless chuck, 0.8 to 10 mm, makes bit changes quick and easy. The rubber over-molded handle ensures comfort, even during extended use. Plus, the built-in LED work light illuminates dark work areas for added convenience. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to use, the DEKO DKCD12 Fubli is the perfect addition to any toolkit. With lithium-ion batteries, it's always ready for your next project. Number 2. Gisam Powerful Electric Drill. The Gisam 18-volt brushless electric impact drill is a powerful tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. Offering a rated torque of 480 Nm, this drill can tackle tough tasks with ease. With a 13mm maximum drilling diameter and a no-load speed of 4000 RPM, it's ideal for a variety of materials. Whether you're drilling through wood, metal, or plastic, this drill has the power to handle it all. The brushless motor ensures increased efficiency, longer battery life, and reduced wear. This means less maintenance and better overall performance. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and compatible with Makita 18V batteries, making it a great choice for those already using Makita tools. Number 1. Babeq Heavy-Duty Electric Drill. The Babeq 16.8V brushless electric drill is a versatile and powerful tool for any DIY enthusiast. With its brushless motor, it delivers high rotation speed and increased longevity, making it an efficient choice for all your home projects. This drill offers an impressive 80 Nm of max torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty drilling and fastening tasks. Equipped with 20 adjustable torque settings, the drill provides precise control, whether you're working with wood, steel, or ceramics. Its tube-in-one design ensures it's suitable for both drilling and screw driving. A key feature is the built-in LED light and power indicator, which enhances visibility, especially in low light conditions, ensuring you can work safely and effectively. With a no-load speed of 3000 RPM, this drill offers the power you need. Lightweight and easy to use, the Babeq 16.8V drill is perfect for both beginners and experienced DIYers.
There was